I'm going to be showing you how to enable hover typing in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is just open your MacBook, and once you're there, you just need to look at the docs where you can find your system settings. If you cannot find it there, you just need to look at the top right or your left if you have your Apple menu there. So once you're here, just tap there and find system settings through here. Just go ahead and open it, wait for it to load, and once you're here, you can see multiple options over here regarding your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, battery, and many more. You just need to be finding accessibility, which is right over here. After you're here, right below Zoom, you can find hover text. So this is the one we need. Just go ahead and tap here, and right below hover text, you can find hover typing. So since you're trying to enable it, make sure you have toggled this button on like this, and there you go. Now you have successfully enabled hover typing in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.